Okay, so here's a cool little trick for creating logos. Now, ChatGPT, DALL-E will tell you that you can't create logos. However, there is a workaround. I created this nice little logo for a sales page it is that I'm creating. And how did I do it? Okay, let's hop across to ChatGPT, DALL-E. Okay, so I have asked it to noisy, being so noisy. I've asked it to create a logo that brings in elements of mastering copy that sells for coaches and therapists. Pick the best color. And what it's done is it's told me that it can't create a logo. But what it will do, it'll give me a description of an image your designer can create. So it's quite simple. The workaround is just create the image above. And then it will create the image above, which is fantastic. It's not always great the first time around, let's face it. So you can, I mean, it just still cannot get spelling. So I ask it to remove the words. So I've gone through a process, and what I do is I just keep focusing in on the elements it is that I want. So we'll do this again in a second, but I just wanted to show you the workflow it is that I've created. So I've asked the logo to be created. It's told me it can't do it. I've asked it to create an image based on the instructions, the outline it's given me, and then it's given me 4 examples, which I don't actually particularly like. I like the colors, but I don't actually like the logos. So I've said, remove the words and create in a different style. It's given me 4 different styles. I do actually quite like this one. It's quite nice. It still isn't representing what it is that I actually want, though. I don't like the quill because a sales page is online. It's on a computer. I've asked it, we're creating different formats of art. So I'm not sure. It looks like some sort of oil painting, watercolor. It looks like that. Oh, my screen is sticking. I find that DALL-E, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, sticks a lot, actually. The page gets stuck. I don't know if it's because it's still processing information. So stained glass window, mosaic. And then I'm not sure these images really say how to master copy that sells. Sorry, I'm dyslexic, I can't spell, but it still picks it up. So again, it tells me that it can't do it, but it will give me a description. Oh, and then I've remembered that I actually want the image to be online. So I put in the prompt. Oh, I should say that this image is for an online sales page. Again, it's done the description, and then I've put create the image. It's come up with some images that are great. I mean, they're in dollars, which isn't any good for me. I do UK pounds, but I should have been more specific in the prompt. But these aren't logos. So I've said to use the pound GB. I'm obviously still thinking about it at this point. This isn't so bad. That's not so bad. And actually, I don't think that's spelled correctly. Yeah, so I've said, yes, make these. And I think I actually did that as a mistake. So it just gave me, again, different versions of the same image. So I've asked to create as a vector. I actually quite like this one, but it's not ideal for what I have in mind. And it's doing it in pound signs. This is a combination of pounds and dollars, which is okay. Pound signs, pound signs. Okay. I felt that these were a bit masculine, so I've asked them to make them more feminine. I quite like this one, but I'm just not drawn to pink personally. But these are definitely more girly, definitely more feminine, focused. And then I'm getting closer and closer to what it is that I want. So I've asked, can you make them round with a woman in them? So when you're creating instructions and prompts for ChatGPT, you're never going to get what it is that you want straight away. And the more information you give it, the better, the closer it can get to the design it is that you want to create. So these are looking much more like logos. Yep, so I think I've just asked it to create 4 more, because what I want to do is see if I can get images it is that I like. Then create again different colors and art styles. I quite like this one, the watercolor one, but she feels a bit old. This one I really like, but it's not a, I'll use it for something else. It's not a, not good for a logo. This is good for a logo. Again, formal like this. These are all good, just not necessarily, I'm just not necessarily drawn. Also, you would need to ask to fit this one inside the frame. That's inside the frame, but too dark. Really love this one. So I started playing around with this image, but I didn't get what I wanted as much as I love them. Pound's a bit wonky. I really love this image. I think that's nice. I think that's oil painting. Really cool. Okay, so again, I've put create that image in a vector, and this is what it came up with, which actually I quite like. But I should have asked for a white background, because that when you put it on a white background, this has got a slight tinge of yellow in it. Then I asked it to create 4 more, and I asked it to create it with the copy on the page with sales copy. It actually spelt it right, so it must do small words okay. I like this, and with a white background. These I like. This is nice, but it's not. No, I suppose you would need to recreate it again and say fit in the frame, because it's not inside the frame, but it is nice actually. It's got movement to it. I do like that one. I also like this one a lot. Actually, they're all really nice. So create 4 more with backgrounds and vibrant colors that represent money. Typo spelling, cute. Yeah, these are cute, but still not what I want. I like this one. That's quite nice. No, actually, I really like this one, but it needs to be in the frame, and it would need to be a pound sign. Yeah, also. So lots of different ideas. I've actually gone with this one. It's got movement in it. It's got pound signs in it. It's round. It looks like a logo. It looks nice on the page. It's got the right colors on it in terms of representing money. So I just have this at the top of the copy of my sales page. So it makes it pop. And then what I will do is I will theme the rest of the images similar to this image. So I will change these images so they're more in line with the colors and this logo. So it's connected and not disjointed. So let's just have a play and give it a go. The screen's frozen again. This is very odd. It must be something to do with the photographs. Let's just refresh it. Let me know, are you having the same problems? When you're creating images, are your pages freezing? Because it doesn't do it when I use ChatGPT 4. So, okay, ChatGPT 4, go down to DALL-E, and then let's have a play. Oh gosh, now I don't know what to put in. Dog petting service. Whoops. It's because I've got a dog in front of me. Dog petting service, of course. Well, I can't design. So it's going to give you the outline of an image that can be created by a designer. And then what we want to do is we want to, oh, it's doing it this time. That's great. Of course, well, I can't design a traditional vector logo. I can provide you with a visual representation based on your description. Oh, it's changed this time. So maybe it's learned from the other logos it is that I have been creating. That is quite possible. ChatGPT is very intuitive. So let's see what it brings up. Maybe I should have done one for diving school, but okay. Oh, 3 hands, bit odd. Definitely not working. Definitely not working for me. Almost. Yeah. Let's do this. Let's copy this image and make 4 more with no word and different colors. So I copied the prompt. Let's put it back in. So this is how you can tailor your prompts. Petting pals. I don't know if that's spelled right. That is funny with 3 hands. Oh, maybe I should have been a bit more specific about taking the copy out of petting. Oh, here we go. The service name is. So you can put in the name of your business here. It doesn't always spell it right. However, you can upload to Canva. Cute. You can upload to Canva and change the text. So that's not a problem, but it's taking the text out anyway. So I'm going to put create these again in different vibrant colors. It's just as well ChatGPT picks up dyslexia and understands the context of what it is that you're saying. It's quite intuitive like that. So these are pastel colors. I do like this. I do like them. They're very simple, but they're not quite what? They're not quite me, but they are good. Let's see. So first I'm going to do with different colors, and then I'm going to do it with different styles of art and see what comes up. And you can play with the background, you can play with the person that's in the image, you can play with the colors. You can play with this character, whether you want it to be male or female. They are cute. It's not bad. Let's say, okay, create a game in different, what was it? Styles of art. Let's have a look and see what it does this time. So you can see I've been working through a process. We've started with stuff that, you know, I really don't like. This one is a good starting point. Yeah, page is frozen again. Gee, that is what is going on. I've asked it to redefine, giving a new prompt, new instructions. I've asked it to change the colors, and let's see what it does with the different styles of art. Let's have a look. Oh, wow. Oh, that's quite nice. That must be, what is that? Oil painting. I like that. That's quite cute. Yeah, just depends what you're after. But, you know, you can focus in, if you like this one, you can copy the prompt. You can copy the prompt. Create 4 more like this with different dogs, different types Dog. Try this again. I don't know what was going on here. That must be abstract. No. Cubist art. Never heard of it. Oh, I can see the eye, but that makes no sense to me, that image whatsoever. That's cute. Just need to make sure it could be doing with moving inside the frame a little bit. But if you put it on white paper, actually that looks like it might be yellow. That might be slightly tinged yellow. Quite possibly. Different. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Yeah, I like. Oh, yeah, I like these. I like these a lot. Very, very cute. Very cute. So they're quite dark. I love the pug. Okay, let's just do one more thing. Create them again, but in different colors. Well, not inside the frame. Not inside the frame. I should have said inside the frame. I don't like this frame. That pug is so cute. Look. And I like that it's wrinkly around the edges and it's not perfect. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, what have we got? Circle logo with a golden retriever gazing upwards with a loyal expression. Oh, pug's got a hand. Very strange. Okay, you couldn't use that one. Nice. Yeah. There's a combination of okay and a dog. So it's a combination of diving okay. That one doesn't work. That one's cute. Very cute. Like the blend of colours. Come up nice. It's quite striking. That's a shame. That could have been quite nice. It's like the touch in hand. This is really pretty. Yeah, so there you go. That's how you can create logos using ChatGPT and DALL-E. So if it says that it can't create the image and it gives you a brief outline of the image it can create, just ask it to create the image it is that you want. Let me know how you get on with creating your logos. Also, let me know if ChatGPT is sticking for you when it's creating images like it is for me. Maybe it's just time for a new laptop. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you and catching your artwork.